Think AI music is just short loops? Think again. Google Flow Music has officially changed the game. I've just generated a massive, nearly 9-minute masterpiece, 8 minutes and 43 seconds to be exact, all powered by the incredible Lyria 3 Pro AI model. In this video, we're diving deep into the producer's seat to show you how much control you really have. Watch as we seamlessly shift genres, swap vocalists, and evolve the entire song vibe on the fly. It's a total revolution in music production. Don't forget to subscribe, because we are going deep into everything Flow Music has to offer. The incredible track you're hearing in the background is a 100% Flow Music creation. We kicked things off with an epic 3-minute journey through the world of house, blending 30-second segments of tech, deep, acid, jackin', G-house, and bass house flawlessly. Just listen to those smooth transitions. It's hard to believe this entire sequence was sparked from a single prompt.
You are here.
We've crossed the 1-minute mark of this epic track. After kicking off with a 30-second tech house burst and sliding into deep house, we're now vibrating with acid house. Next up, we're hitting jackin' house and the infectious energy of G house. Honestly, that ghetto house vibe is just next level. We'll be wrapping up this high-octane sequence with some heavy bass house.
Between us, move your feet, believe the floor, believe the movement. Don't ask why, just be here, right here. I feel you in the pulse, in the skin. You are here. I feel you in the heat, in the breath. You are here. Lift your hands, lift them up. Take it in, take it all. The spirit moves through the wood, through the bone. I know you, without a word, without a touch. The realness is now, now, it is now. I feel you, you are here. Presence, 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 faith, right here, always here, always, always, always.
But wait, there's more. We built out the remainder of this track using the game-changing Remix Extend feature. We hit the extend button 5 separate times to completely transform the subgenre, vocals, lyrics, and tempo, stretching the masterpiece by roughly a minute with every single pass. Witness the transition from G-house into bass house, then acid house, before sliding through tech and lo-fi house, finally landing in a breezy tropical house finale. Pay close attention to how the lyrics adapt perfectly to every genre shift. I'm gonna walk you through the screen recording so you can see exactly how to master remix extending and nail your prompting for these incredible results.
The truth. Feel the bass house, heavy in the chest, low end theory, better than the rest, the rest. Drop it low, drop it, let the speakers blow, bass house energy, watch the rhythm grow. Nothing hits like this, pure sonic bliss, bass house power, every single hour.
Silver box, screaming in the dark. 303. Leaves a burning mark. Twist the resonance. Open up.
303. A storm is brewing. Can you feel the pressure drop? The clouds are heavy. The air is thick. It's coming. Get up. Get up, bodies. Move your body to lock. Oh, the hiss. The beautiful hiss, dusty keys. Dusty sea.
Praise the saturation,
Praise it,
low fidelity.
so sweet.
Keep it muffled, keep it muffled, keep it warm. The crackle is the spirit of the spirit in the lo-fi house. Lo-fi house, we find our home. Welcome to the island, where the sun never sets, where the sun never sets. Tropical paradise in the house of no regrets. Feel warm breeze blowing through the palm trees, sand between your toes as the rhythm flows, tropical paradise in the yeah, man. Just let the spirit guide you to the turquoise forest water, where the soul's water, where vermilion is free. In the tropical house,
Think you're stuck with just 3 minutes? Think again. Google Flow Music breaks those limits wide open. Plus, the game-changing Remix Replace feature mirrors the power of remix extending, allowing you to swap out sections right in the heart of your track for ultimate creative control over your song design. Thanks so much for watching. Drop a comment and let me know what you think.